Sitting on a street full of strip malls, this old funeral home served the area for decades. Now it sits abandoned and awaiting demolition. It will be replaced by a 12-story apartment building. Starting point on this one is the top floor. I'm pretty sketched out on this one because it is in a very, very busy area. So on the front of the building, I'm going to have to be very careful with the light. Smoke detector still going off, and we're going to get at it. Looks like just a little crawl space. I guess what I would call a storage room here. The very small window. Again, I don't want to be around these windows much with my light. A lot of damage over here. Looks like it was a bathroom on this side. Toilet paper holder. That was a mirror there. Oh, these stairs are a little bit sketchy. Stuff all over top of them. But nice and sturdy, which is nice. Okay. Coming out here again, these windows are facing right out onto the main street, so I need to be very careful with my light and not shine them right at shine it right at them. Keep the curtains closed, that's for sure. So far, there's not a lot left behind in here. Just putting the light away for a second because I see. Oh, okay. You can see there the tail lights. There's cars in the parking lot next door. So I'm not going to have my light on in this room. And move away from it. That's where we came from. Look at the old wallpaper. Insulation falling down from the ceiling. Again, this one's a little dark, but it has to be. I don't want to be blaring light all over the place. So a lot of windows and a lot of windows up to the main road. I keep saying it over and over. Pretty sure you guys don't need to keep hearing it over and over. Very big open room with curtains as a door, so I'm imagining this could have been a viewing room. Okay, and that's where we came from. Old light fixtures in here. Doorbell. Now, I don't think there's power in here, but just in case. This does have an alarm trigger on it, so I'm not going to open it. Stairs down to the main floor. Big open window right there. It's out to the parking lot on the other side of the building. No cars in that parking lot though. Another very big open room. There's a car right there in the parking lot. So I'm going to let him go by before I bring the light back out. Okay, he's gone. This is a big open room. Once again. Now if I can get to this one in the day where I don't have to be so worried about my light, I will. But I wanted to make sure to get it no matter what. And this is the front door. So again, not going to have the light bright at it, but you can see the glass here with all the traffic going by. I was saying this is in a very busy spot. Wasn't kidding around. I don't like being at the front. Another very large room. Pile of garbage here and a sleeping bag. So possibly squatters. Big double doors. Yeah, this very possibly could have been another viewing room. I don't know about you, but if I was a squatter, I don't think I would want to do it in a funeral home. I guess if it's cold out, you gotta take what you can get. Very old AC unit. Restroom here. Oh, what do we have here? Kitchen. Still some dishes up in the cupboard, couple cups. Not much else. Alright, let's head down into the basement. I'm hearing water dripping down here. Glad down here I won't have to be as careful with the light. Thankfully. I just heard a voice. not say a whole lot for a few minutes. I swear I heard a voice. Okay, I hear water coming. There's water running down here. More very old wallpaper. Another hallway. Look at the old style lights. This place is huge. Some damage on the walls in this room. It's another empty room. I'm not seeing any signs of anything left behind from the funeral home, which would have been kind of cool. It's actually the first funeral home I've ever explored. Of course, I'm doing it by myself at night. Washrooms. Okay, this is funeral. Yeah, it's a funeral home, furnace room. Looks like the scrappers have been in here. A very, very old furnace. Is there anything else around here? A hole in the wall to the bathroom. I'm getting caught on things. Sorry for the camera work. Very tight in here. I was getting stuck on the pipes. That would have been great. Rip my clothes apart. Is that everywhere down here? I think so. Yeah, I think it is. Before getting out of here, I just wanted to come check out this room. Kind of thinking that this may have been the embalming room. Just because the setup of the floor, the drain in the middle. But I'm not sure, to be honest. Okay, made it all the way through this one. Very cool explorer. This place is huge. It's unfortunate that there's not much left behind. Still very cool. Let me know what you all think if you saw anything I missed. And as always, I'll see you on the next adventure.